today's video. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree 99-cent store in Ross haul for you guys. If you haven't already seen my walkthrough videos for the Hobby Lobby, the 99-cent store, and the Dollar Tree, I recommend for you to watch those first and then come and see my haul. That way it's better. Yes, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And if you already did, thank you very much. And let's get started with my haul. I'm going to show you, what I got from the Dollar Tree. I didn't buy anything from Hobby Lobby. I did do the walkthrough from the Hobby Lobby, but I didn't buy anything from there. My intention was not to buy something from the Hobby Lobby. It was just to walk through the Hobby Lobby. And of course, the sweeper needs to pass by right now. So, I'm going to show you what I got from the Dollar Tree first. I have the bags here. Look at this. Dollar Tree and 99-cent store. So, you kind of already saw what I got from Dollar Tree. A little stickaboo there. I'm going to show you the floral things first because that's the first thing you saw. I did get these red roses, which has 3 in a bundle. They're called velvet roses for the $1.25. I'm going to do a little thing for teachers, so stay tuned for that video as well. There's that one. I'm going to put it this way. Then I got these other ones. I got them on pink. Now this one has more than just 3 of them. It has 5, I think. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 of them, and they're just called roses. Now, the difference is that this is more plasticky, and the material, I think it's different. I think this one's thicker than this. There's that, and then you saw those, the Amaranthus. I got 3 of them. Look at this. There's the hanging, pink hanging little things, really cute. Yay! I got 3 of those for a craft. Then I got this Valentine sign. It's like the mason jar. They did have another one in red, so make sure you watch the walkthrough so you can see hugs, kisses, and Valentine wishes. I'm going to enhance this so I can put it as a wreath in my front door. But I like it because it has this metal accent, so it's nice. Little ASMR. I also got these treat bags for my daughter's school. I got them on the same. It has the little koalas. Can you guys see? There you go. Koalas. And it says Happy Valentine's Day. They do have 20 pieces per packet. I got those. Then I also got these little teddy bears. Make sure you do watch that. I got 2 of the light brown and 1 of the darker brown. These ones, supposedly, it says they're scented. And they are chocolate scented. Chocolate scented. I don't think it makes a difference of their smell, but they're scented. You can smell the chocolate. The lighter one has light pink and the darker one has red. And I'm going to make something for the teachers with those. These teddy bears, they're a good quality. The hair doesn't fall off. They're really well like stuffed. The little head has the little bead-headed things, but it's cute and it's really soft. I also got, let's continue on the Valentine things. I got these hearts. And it says Happy Valentine's Day. They are the Russell Stover assorted chocolate. I'm not sure how many it would have. It is sealed. I got 3 of them. 2 of them have the little pink rim, just like the teddy bears, and then 1 is just red, and it just says Happy Heart Day, Happy Valentine's Day. You see that? Yeah. I also got these pom-poms. I haven't seen these pom-poms. Maybe you have, but they're new to my eyes. They're really colorful yarn pom-poms. And I want to make, I want to put these in some of my stuff that I already sell. In my Etsy shop, I have this little wicked or this little palm tree woven baskets, and maybe if I add on something like this, it'll make them more attractive, and then they will sell better a little bit. So I got these how many pom-poms? It has 12 pieces per packet, 12 pom-poms. They're decent size. And I also got these clips, these hair clips. It says love, and they're fuzzy snap clips fashion. I got 2 packets, because one for Luna, one for Layla, for Valentine's Day. They're those what do you call these? Look at this. They're like this kind. You see that? So when you pop it in there, it'll look something like that. Of course, it'll look nicer on little girls. But I thought it was cute because it's fluffy, it's hairy, and it has love in it. Look at that. It has the love. It's really cute. Then I got these, which I was surprised to find. They're socks, of course, but they're Fruit of the Loom socks. Now these, you can find them anywhere else, maybe for $5 or $7. Low cut, they're 10 pairs, the size 3 to 5. And it says every day, 10 pairs. There are on the boyish colors, but socks are socks. They're inside of your shoe, so it doesn't really matter if it's any color. Like all of these other colors are okay, you know. Blue, it sucks. For $1.25, you can't go wrong with that, right? Yes, am I right? Okay, that's what I got from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to show you what I got from the 99-cent store tree. I got this wreath. Look at that. It's beaded wreath. This, of course, remember, the 99-cent store. The 99-cent store is not just 99 cents. You gotta check. Almost everything now, it's more than 99 cents. It's ridiculous. Just like the Dollar Tree is not $1, it's $1.25. The 99-cent store is not that. Uh-oh, my little flowers. The little flowers are foamy, like foam sheet flowers, and then they have the regular floral here. And then, of course, the beaded thing. This one was a whipping $5.99. Look at that, $5.99. It was on the Easter side of the items, but it's a nice quality. $6 for this. I think you would also spend the same amount of balls, because see, this would be $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's about $6 if you would have made it from the Dollar Tree. You know what I mean? But ta-da! I got it. It's really cute for Easter. And then Valentine-ish things from the 99 cents. I got these. Now these are 99 cents. They are the Valentine thing in the Valentine section, and they are painting easels. You can see there's the easel, the plastic easel here, the canvas with the printed picture with the unicorn cat, the paints. Now these ones are love bears. The top one has no wording, and the bottom says love you very much. And of course the same color. I think this one just has the difference is blue, and this one has orange, or I mean brown. But other than that, it's the same. These were the only 2 designs that I saw. 99 cents. And then I saw this one that I'm going to give to Luna's teacher, I think. It says, it takes a big heart to shape little minds. Look at that. And it's a nice thick apple. And it's a wood apple. This was $1.99. $1.99, and I think these phase 2 compliance for this could be, I think this item could have been sold in Walmart, but I'm not sure really. But it's a nice little apple. Now I'm thinking about the other teachers, but I think this one's big is nicer for my for my first daughter, which she's in 1st grade going into 2nd grade, so I think that one's nice for her. And then my last thing that I got from the 99-cent store is this mug. I have mugs, plenty of mugs, but this one's special. It says Mama. Yeah. And this one was $2.99. $2.99, and then Mama has like rainbowish. It kind of reminds me of that 70s shows. It says Mama, you're the best. And so soft to the touch. Soft touch, what is it called? Soft touch mug. You can see it has a little thing here. because these feels like velvety or silicone-y. You can see the difference here. See how inside is glossy and over here is like matte and it's soft and delicious. You want to bite? And it's from the brand Ecolo. I have no idea if that's a brand from Walmart or not, but it's nice. It's very cute and it's very petite. Yeah, that's from, come on son, collect yourself. That's from the 99-cent store. That's the items from my walkthroughs. I did not do a walkthrough from the Ross, but I wanted to show you a little bonus, right? A little bonus, where is it? A little bonus from the Ross. I'll show you. I've been doing exercise every single day now that I'm telling you, but I need shorts. I need shorts, and because I want leggings to wear outside. Not the shorts. So I got these shorts, these leggings, workout shirts. I don't know what you will call it. You can wear it every day. They kind of like Bermuda shorts, a little longer than your regular yoga pants, yoga shorts. You see that? It's a little bit larger. I like that it has a little pocket on the sides, and it's from the brand High Rise with New York Laundry. New York Laundry. Look at that. It's in the size small, and this was $7.99. $7.99. And the black, it has high waist, so it's cute to keep your waist nice and tucked in there. Then I got this one, same brand. I think, no, it's not the same brand. I'm sorry. This is from Legend. Legend. Hope you can see. It says there, Legend. Or you can see there, leggings, size small as well. It was also, oh, this one actually was $8.99. Wow, I thought it was $7.99 as well. It tricked me. $8.99. And this one is kind of like in the like, what do you call this, leopard or cheetah, but it's greenish and it's kind of matty. You can see here how I'm talking about the Bermuda pants. Look at this, see? It's longer to the knee, right at the end, longer to the knee. You see that? So I got those. Then I got bras, a bundle of bras, black, nude, and gray. This is like the neutral colors. You don't want to go crazy with your pinks or anything like that. They were $19.99. $19.99, and they are from the brand Danskins Intimates. Danskins? That sounds very familiar. I don't know. Danskins sounds like the, is this like a dupe of Kim Kardashian stuff? Skins? Is that what is ringing in my head? I think it is. But yeah. 3 colors. Soft lift, it says, and it has like separated. It does have the wire, but it's separated. I thought they were nice and soft, and the color, my attraction was the color, because it was like neutral colors, black, nude, and gray, and I needed more, so I got those. Yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today for the haul from the Dollar Tree, the 99-cent store, and the bonus Ross. Make sure you watch the walkthroughs before this video from the Hobby Lobby, 99-cent store, and the Dollar Tree. If you like these kinds of videos, I could do them again. I know there's a bunch of people that already do walkthroughs, do it better than me, and their whole channel is based on that, but do what you wish. Other than that, I am finished with today's haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Click the little link below to subscribe. Check out the little pop-ups that come up here that suggest other videos that I have done. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.